Here's the Cutie tabletop fabric frame. Really nice little frame. There's some people that don't like having the handles down low, so that's what comes with it. This is what I call the Cutie tabletop frame upgrade carriage. It's actually the carriage for the G-Series Carriage upgrade, but it's nice, works out really well. You have these nice big wheels, and you have front and you have rear handles that you don't get. Now, the limitation is that as you pull that forward, that hits. And so if you have a longer throat machine, this is a Juki 2010Q. If you have a longer throat machine than that, then you might need to modify that a little bit. But this is a lot better setup than doing it with PVC pipes. So now I have the take-up rail in here, and you can see that I can go all the way there and all the way there. That's as far as that will go because of the limitation of this Juki, but works really well, and the price isn't too outrageous. So you can find this on our website at CathyQuilts.com.